today I'll show you how to make a paper squishy. You will need some tape. You can use small tape, of course, or big tape. You need pencil to draw your squishy, and an eraser, a scissors. And if you're gonna do what I'm gonna do today, you need some ruler. And some color, you can use crayon, you can use markers, any colors you have at home. It will be perfect for a paper squishy. And today I will do a photograph picture. So first thing, guys, you're gonna fold your paper in half. You're gonna turn like that. Then you're gonna draw your squishy. So after, when you draw your square, the one we're gonna do a photograph, we're gonna do the inside. So after finishing your drawing, you're gonna color it, whatever color you like. So when you're done your nice picture, you finish coloring, you're gonna get to do the back. The back. So after when you do the front, you draw with and color it, and you're gonna get this, what I got. In the back, you need to do the same thing. This is the back for me. So now you need to get your tape. Okay, you're gonna tape the back and the front with tape. Okay. So after when you tape the front and the back with tape, okay, you're gonna cut it now. So you're gonna take your scissors, cut it, and but be careful, don't cut the down thing, this one, don't cut it now. So you're gonna first cut like here, like this. Okay. So when you cut it, it will look like this. So now with your again tape, you're gonna use your tape. You can see here. You're gonna take your tape and tape it from here. Okay? And after you're gonna tape it, you're gonna cut this part and fill it. So basically when you're done taping all the signs, you cannot open it. You can see. So now you're gonna take your scissors and cut this part that we leave it last time. So when you're done, you're gonna see there's like a hole. When you see this hole, you're gonna now fill it with the stuffing. For the stuffing, you can use tissue, small plastic bag, cotton, foam, any you can use for inside your squishy. So now when you're done everything, you're gonna put inside the stuffing. I put 3 plastic bags, and now I'm gonna tape the down. So this is the final result. I really like it, and I hope you should try this at home. And write in the comments if it really works or it's not nice, or is it nice, in the comment down below. And comment down below what should I do in my future videos. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and put the notification on, and I see you next video.